Welcome back to Synapthia. Have you ever been in the middle of a conversation and suddenly, out of nowhere, you start making strange hic sounds? It's embarrassing, annoying, and often seems to have no reason at all. But what's really happening inside your body? Let's uncover the secret behind the hiccups. The science behind a hiccup is all about your diaphragm. This large muscle, located just below your lungs, is essential for breathing. A hiccup is actually an involuntary contraction of this diaphragm. When it contracts suddenly, it forces you to take a quick breath. Just as you do, your vocal cords close instantly, creating the characteristic hic sound. This entire process is controlled by a reflex arc involving the vagus nerve and the phrenic nerve. So, what triggers this reflex? The most common culprits are things that irritate the nerves that control your diaphragm. This could be anything from eating too fast or drinking fizzy drinks to swallowing air, consuming spicy foods, or even sudden changes in temperature. There are countless home remedies to stop hiccups. Holding your breath, drinking water, or being startled are common methods. While not scientifically proven, these methods might work by interrupting the reflex arc that causes the hiccups. For example, holding your breath increases the amount of carbon dioxide in your lungs, which may relax your diaphragm. The effectiveness of these methods is still a subject of scientific debate, but they've been passed down for generations. So, the next time you get the hiccups, you'll know exactly what's going on inside your body. It's a fascinating look at our body's reflexes. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe to Synapthia for more knowledge connections.